What's up, young world? It's your man.
KapKen.
That's not what you say, woman. See, she get brand new when people come around. God. All right, what's up, young world?
Hey, good people. How are you today?
She just guess what we're about to do.
Guess what we're about to do?
That's what they're about to do.
We're about to get on board Virgin Voyages.
But
So
first,
But first what?
I thought you was going to do your liquor.
That's a different video.
Okay.
See, there she goes, spoiling my pride.
Cut this out.
Damn.
Hey, I'm ready to get on.
That's what she
We
said.
get on board Virgin Voyages.
Yes.
Take you along for the ride. KapKen, my man Paul and Erica. They're not a couple. They're just here.
Friends of KapKen.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. All right.
Alrighty, you come into the room here, guys. This is one of the Rockstar suites. And as you enter the room, you have a vanity on the side here that has water and sparkling water, so distilled and sparkling. And as you come around, you go straight to the balcony. And this is the Port of Miami.
We're on a mission. We're on a mission. We're on a mission.
You have couples table and a hammock. So she done had a dream that she's gonna fall off this into the water.
So I'm not getting
So I'm just letting y'all know, cause something happens and I didn't do it. That was her dream.
Yes, he did. He did it.
Then you come, you have a chair here. And over on this side, excuse the bags, got my DJing set with me. And then we got a nice closet here. And over on this side, we have drawers and more. Then you have king size bed. Then let's come over here to the bar, guys. Whoa, got tequila, black label, all the good stuff. Belvedere. Oh man, you're gonna need more vodka than that though. Then you got Moet. And all this stuff, even if you don't drink it, you can take it home with you when you leave the ship. So that's amazing. But then you have a nice record player over here with a Bose speaker. In the bathroom, you can see that little reflection there. That's the peekaboo shower. So you can kind of see it, but at nighttime you probably see everything.
Peekaboo.
Ooh, nice bathroom.
Peekaboo, baby.
You have the marble tile floors with a marble tile shower and with a seat. Rainfall. Oh, yep, could have wore the rose. Then we got a nice full-size mirror. Pretty big sink. I would have loved to see double sinks there. Then you got your private, I call it a shitter, private shitter. And also, show you some of the mechanics in here. If you want to do not disturb, you hit do not disturb. If you want to have your room clean, you hit the little button there, so you just light it up. So on and so forth. And then you have a tablet, so if you need any kind of special services or anything, you have a tablet here. You have to go through your safety training on there. So
Yes, I am impressed. So far, so good.
I mean, it's just beautiful walking
love
through.
it. I
Nice
love
service. You get a concierge for your room, your personal concierge that handles everything for you, and of course, you get your cleaning people.
Yep.
So,
First class service.
So far, so good.
So far, so
and
good.
it took us every bit of 10 minutes to get on the ship.
Yeah, it took no time.
No
Not
time.
like any other cruise line
Yeah.
we've ever been on before.
And we talking about
We've never walked
what,
straight
25, 30 trips.
through. Yeah.
This is straight through. All right, guys. See you in 2 and 2, all right? Miami. Virgin Cruises.
We're on a mission. We're on a mission. We're on a mission. We're on a mission.
Yo, get out.
You know he got it.
No.
You know this joker.
It's required.
This joker got to do documentaries.
It's required.
KapKen, baby.
Yeah, KapKen, baby.
She washing stuff all the time.
She wants you to take pictures with her.
All right, so don't be trying to say it was some damage and it wasn't no damage.
There you go.
All right, everybody look cool. Baby, make sure you're in the picture. And don't look at the camera.
You said don't look at it.
Yeah, don't look at the camera.
We're on a mission. We're on a mission. We're on a mission. We're on a mission.
Happy birthday to the one. Happy birthday.
Boy, tell you something, brother, you better watch yourself. Wait a minute, you know what? I always like to follow it up with one of my favorite songs. I hope you like this song too, but I'm dedicating this song to you also. You and him too. I know it sounds funny, but I just can't stand it. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. You can sing with me, mommy, I don't care.
I wouldn't have remembered the two platforms. There'd be three.
Oh.
20.
22,
25.
27,
28. That's wrong.
and there you go.
That's wrong.
Was it wrong?
He clapped.
29,
29,
30,
78, 80,
81,
82, 84,
85, 87,
88,
What the?
100,
What?
101,
102, 104,
105, 107,
108, 110,
111,
112, 114,
115, 117,
118, 120,
121.
122, 123.
We're on a mission. We're on a mission. We're on a mission. We're on a mission.
All right, guys.
All right, guys.
We're gonna wrap this up for you, KapKen. I wish we had more information, but we got things to do.
Yes. We'll be back. We will be back.
So while you're here, see the like button?
Yes. Like
Hit
and
that.
subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yes.
And please leave a comment forward to your friends.
Yes.
KapKen.
All right. We out.
Ugh.
We out. We out. We out.
That's what she said.